Did you know that real estate has created more millionaires than any other investment? Real estate investing can be a lucrative venture for those looking to build wealth and secure their financial future. However, getting started in real estate investing can be overwhelming for beginners. With so many options and strategies to choose from, it can be difficult to know where to begin. One of the first steps to starting real estate investing is to educate yourself on the basics of the industry. This includes understanding the different types of real estate investments, such as residential, commercial, and industrial properties. It's also important to learn about the various strategies for investing in real estate, such as buy and hold, fix and flip, and rental properties. Once you have a basic understanding of real estate investing, it's time to start building your team. This includes finding a real estate agent, a lender, and a property manager. These professionals will help you navigate the complexities of real estate investing and ensure that you make sound investment decisions. Next, you'll need to determine your investment goals and create a plan to achieve them. This includes setting a budget, determining your risk tolerance, and identifying the types of properties you want to invest in. It's important to be realistic about your goals and to create a plan that aligns with your financial situation and long-term objectives. After you've established your goals and created a plan, it's time to start looking for properties to invest in. This can be done through online listings, real estate auctions, or working with a real estate agent. When evaluating potential properties, be sure to consider factors such as location, condition, and potential for appreciation. Once you've found a property that meets your criteria, it's time to make an offer. This can be a nerve-wracking process, but with the help of your real estate agent and lender, you can navigate the negotiation process and secure a deal that works for you. After you've purchased a property, it's important to manage it effectively to ensure a positive return on your investment. This includes finding reliable tenants, maintaining the property, and staying on top of market trends. By actively managing your properties, you can maximize your profits and build a successful real estate portfolio. In conclusion, real estate investing can be a rewarding and profitable venture for beginners. By educating yourself, building a strong team, setting goals, and actively managing your properties, you can achieve success in the real estate market. With dedication, hard work, and a sound investment strategy, you can build wealth and secure your financial future through real estate investing.